What if I told you that your next big source of income is already sitting inside your head? Yep, your ideas could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars, and all you need are a few AI tools to turn them into real products that sell themselves. Because today, you don't need to be a designer, writer, or programmer. You just need to know how to use the right AI tools the smart way. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your random thoughts into real, sellable, digital products using AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen AI Tools, where I show you how to make more money, save time, and scale your ideas, all with the power of artificial intelligence. If you've ever dreamed of making money online but felt like you didn't have the skills, time, or technical know-how, this video is for you. Because I'm about to show you 5 powerful AI tools: ChatGPT, SkillLeap AI, Notion AI, Gumroad, and Durable, that can take you from idea to income. So grab your notebook, because by the end of this, you'll have a clear step-by-step system to start your first AI-powered digital business today. Let's be real, everyone wants an extra income stream, but most people hit the same wall. I don't have any special skills. I don't have time to start a business. I wouldn't even know where to begin. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. You don't need to build an app, learn to code, or spend thousands on ads. With AI tools, you can automate most of the hard stuff: brainstorming, creating, designing, writing, even marketing. And when you combine them the right way, you can literally turn your ideas, your knowledge, your experiences, your creativity into digital products that make you money while you sleep. So let's jump straight into how to do it. Chapter 1. ChatGPT, the idea to execution engine. Let's start with the brain of your business, ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT as your personal creative assistant, copywriter, business coach, and problem solver all in one. Let's say you have a simple idea, something like, I want to make a Notion template for productivity. You could ask ChatGPT, generate 10 profitable Notion template ideas that people would buy in 2025. And boom, in seconds, it gives you ideas like AI-powered content planner for YouTubers, weekly focus tracker for students, digital habit builder for entrepreneurs. Pick one that feels right, and now you've got your starting point. Next, you can use ChatGPT to outline the structure of your digital product. Write the descriptions and titles for your Gumroad page. Create marketing emails or social posts. Even generate step-by-step instructions or checklists for your customers. For example, type, write a detailed guide for my Notion productivity template that helps users plan their week, and ChatGPT will instantly produce ready-to-use instructions that make your product feel premium. See what's happening? Your random thought just became a professional-looking product outline in minutes. ChatGPT basically removes the "I don't know where to start" problem from your life. Chapter 2. SkillLeap AI. Learn fast, build faster. Next, we've got SkillLeap AI, your shortcut to learning anything fast. One of the biggest reasons people don't start creating digital products is because they think they need to learn everything first. But with SkillLeap, you can learn on demand, instantly. Let's say you want to make a mini ebook about using AI for personal productivity, but you're not sure how to structure it. SkillLeap gives you bite-sized lessons and AI-generated roadmaps that teach you exactly what you need, nothing more, nothing less. In a few hours, you could go from beginner to confident enough to create your first info product. It's like ChatGPT meets Masterclass, but on turbo mode. You can use it to learn how to structure digital courses, understand the psychology of online buyers, master the basics of design, SEO, or copywriting, super fast. And the best part? You can ask it to tailor the lessons to your specific product idea. So instead of spending weeks scrolling through YouTube tutorials, you're learning exactly what helps you make money faster. Because knowledge doesn't pay the bills. Applied knowledge does. SkillLeap makes sure you get to the applied part ASAP. Chapter 3. Notion AI. Build and organize, like a pro. Now that you've got your idea and you've learned the essentials, it's time to build. That's where Notion AI comes in. your all-in-one workspace for organizing, designing, and structuring your digital product. Let's say you're creating a Notion template. Perfect. Notion AI can literally help you build it. You can use prompts like, create a Notion layout for a content planning dashboard with daily, weekly, and monthly views. In seconds, Notion AI helps you generate pages, titles, and sections. You can add visuals, checklists, and automation, no coding required. But even if your product isn't a Notion template, say you're writing an ebook or course, Notion AI is still your command center. You can use it to organize research, store your product assets, generate your launch plan, write outlines, to-do lists, and email sequences. It's like your business HQ that runs on autopilot. And if you combine ChatGPT plus Notion AI, you've basically built a personal production studio that fits in your laptop. Chapter 4. Gumroad. Sell like a pro, even if you're not one. Now, let's talk about turning that product into cash. Once you've created your product, you'll need a platform to sell it. And the easiest, most beginner-friendly option is Gumroad. Gumroad is like Shopify for creators, but simpler. Here's why it's perfect. You don't need a website. You don't need technical skills. You just upload your product, set a price, write a description, and you're live. Let's walk through a quick example. You've made a Notion template called the 7-Day Focus Planner. You upload the file to Gumroad, set your price at $9, add your product description, which ChatGPT can write for you, and hit publish. Now your product is live, worldwide. Anyone can buy it, and Gumroad handles payments, downloads, and even customer emails automatically. Want to make more? You can bundle your products, run discounts, or create subscription memberships. And the cool part, you can connect Gumroad with tools like ChatGPT or Notion to automate updates and customer messages. So even while you sleep, your AI business keeps running. En så måndag duren Twang. Chapter 5, Durable.co. Launch a brand in minutes. Okay, now you've got the product in the store, but you need a brand. That's where Durable.co comes in. The AI website builder that creates a professional website for you in under 60 seconds. I'm not exaggerating. Literally, 60 seconds. You just type in what your business is about. For example, digital productivity templates for creators. Durable instantly builds you a website, complete with copy, layout, images, and even a contact form. You can tweak colors, upload your logo, and link your Gumroad page. Boom, now you look legit. People trust brands that look professional, and Durable makes it ridiculously easy to look like a brand that knows what it's doing. You can also connect analytics, add testimonials, or even a newsletter form to capture leads. In short, ChatGPT creates your ideas. SkillLeap teaches you fast. Notion AI builds your product. Gumroad sells it. Durable brands it. It's like having an entire team working for you, but powered by AI. Bonus tip: the AI product launch formula. Let me quickly share a 3-step launch system that's been working insanely well for creators in 2025. Step 1, validate before you build. Ask ChatGPT to help you create polls or test product names on Reddit, X, or Discord communities. You'll know exactly what people want before spending time building it. Step 2, create fast, improve later. Don't overthink. Use Notion AI and ChatGPT to make a minimum viable version, launch it on Gumroad, and get feedback. Step 3. Automate your marketing. Ask ChatGPT to generate 10 TikTok hooks, 5 short video scripts, and an email campaign. You can post and schedule them automatically with tools like Buffer or Zapier. And just like that, you've built, launched, and automated a small online business in days, not months. If this video inspired you even a little bit, don't just watch, act. All the links to try these tools, ChatGPT, SkillLeap AI, Notion AI, Gumroad, and Durable, are down below in the description. And here's the deal, I've also put together a free AI business toolkit. It includes templates, product idea prompts, and a mini launch guide to help you get started fast. So hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered money-making tips, and comment below which tool you're most excited to try first. Because in 2025, the biggest opportunities don't go to the smartest people, they go to the ones who use AI smartly. Thanks for watching, creators. Remember, your next income stream isn't out there somewhere, it's already inside your mind, waiting to be built. So go out there, turn your ideas into digital gold, and let AI handle the hard stuff. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll explore how to automate your first $1,000 in passive income using AI. Stay creative, stay curious, and keep building your future with AI.